Hello friends, today I want to tell some new opportunities for those who are looking for secondary income and additional income or new field, looking for new field, either freshers or experienced people who are looking for a change of their field. I myself have been looking for a secondary income, that's why I've been doing Vestige, and along with that I try to explore different fields what are available. And one field I came to know today from a digital marketing agency person. So I just checked out that website also. So I want to give some useful information which will be helpful for those who are looking for job or additional income or looking for a change. But this also is not like just you'll get money overnight. You have to do some research, but at least this will help you to do some better research. Like nowadays, digital marketing field has been expanding a lot. India, we don't have much experience about that field, but outside countries, people are earning a lot of money and a lot of time freedom is there. Those who want time freedom also is a good field. Any field, network marketing or digital marketing. So in my Telugu language, recently I came across like coursedunia.com. It is conducted by Sai Ramesh. He is one of the experienced person. I just watched one few videos of him, and it's in my local language, Telugu, Andhra Pradesh. You can check out. There are so many courses which are some are free and some are charged just minimum. It's a good thing, right? We are spending lakhs of rupees learning engineering, doctor, and so very limited fields, though whether you like it or not, because there is no scope of earning outside some particular fields, right? Though you have talent in any other field. So everyone is born with some talent. There is no nothing like no one is born without any talent, I think so. So we need some people are lucky to find the right platform, right time, right mentors, right support system. So that is only for few people. Most of the people have to find out. There will be something which you have to fix it and find out. If you are well and good and happy with what you are, it's okay. But if you are trying for a new job or like looking for a part-time additional income, looking for a change, you like find out is there anyone in your local language. Why I am saying local language is mostly there are a lot of content available in English, but not perfect. Milesbecker.com I saw English. So one genuine guy. He has already been earning a lot of money. He posts some videos and he gives some links and he dictate. Try to follow these things. So there are many websites which do not give full information or proper information. So these two are in English and we don't follow perfectly. We cannot follow. So many of us like digital, we are not so digital savvy compared to other countries. What they say is very simple. To sign up in particular site, it will take a lot of time for us. It will be confusing. So many things like that. So find out if there is anyone who is helping you or who is training you, who is providing courses in your local language. It will be better, and who is accessible either physically or through phone, like any office, like website, who are genuine. Just check out who is there anyone in your language. Mostly in all the languages now people are coming out. They are paying back to the society who have been successful. helping others who want to make their careers in this field. It's a good thing. So try to find either in what I heard is we need to spend 3 to 4 hours every day for 6 months. If we have proper guidance and proper platform and understanding to make some money, it is also like take some time. It's not just so easy. We need, there are so many fields in digital marketing. You need to find which one is best for you. Just try out, search in the net what is what, go blogging, what is social media marketing, content marketing, what is freelancing, what is Photoshop, what is affiliate marketing. So if you just take all at a time, you may be confused. So just try all the things, get basic idea, try to focus on one thing, see if you can become master in that, or if you are finding some difficulty, try another field. Just so mostly it depends on mentors, nothing like it's not rocket science. Finding right people who give proper suggestion when you have a doubt, guidance, correct guidance, it is important in any field, right? When you find someone who can guide you properly, it's very easy to reduce the mistakes and improve the efficiency. That is how the difference between great leaders and average people. They have big teams and they have people admiring them. Great leaders in any company, any field. So that's in brief about digital marketing and my experience today. And apart from that, I keep continuing about. I have some personal work. I do in a diagnostic related work, promoting, and along with that, I am focused on wastage business also. If you find my videos useful, you can subscribe to my channel and watch other videos. As and when I find some information useful, I make a video and post it. So there will be something which is useful for you, definitely. Health and passive income, along with job or anything. If you are changing a job, don't suddenly jump, because some companies I am seeing, they are very, they motivate so much that the people leave the existing source of income and jump and struggle. Some people successful become successful, but some people do suffer. It is not advisable. They have to pay the bills, they have to face so many consequences. It takes time to make money in any particular field. So you need to learn, you need to give that time, you need to master it. That's why slowly, along with your particular job, or you are free like just a student, you have more time, it's okay, you can spend it as much time as you can. So I invite you to into wastage business if you are interested. I want to do it long term. As of now, I find it a good company. I have seen a few companies. It's not like it is only the best company. There are many companies. It's okay, but I find it comfortable. Company in different factors. What I see, I find this company interesting and is useful, growth wise and product wise. So many things, factors I mentioned in different other videos. Just check out. Again, I don't want to repeat here. Just once you join wastage, you first of all, products are good, management is good, you can protect your health, your families, your relatives. You can earn. Difficulty of making business is easy compared to other companies in the wastage company, because the product range is great. Regular products, household products are there: soap, paste, cooking oil, floor cleaner, toilet cleaner, clothes, washing clothes, everything, A to Z, whatever all you need. There are health supplements are there like neem, aloe vera, Ganoderma, so many things are there, health supplements. You can Mr. of Milan beauty and makeup products and skincare range for both men and women. Wonderful products are there. Skin problems, pigmentation, tanning, tightening, anti-aging. So many products are there. For farmers, there are products, wonderful products. So all these things help you to make difference from externally and from internally. So you can be a consumer. Just if you are busy in any other field, you can use the products and get the benefit. If you want to do the business, you have to learn. And just my number will be in the description. Please contact me if you are interested for products or business. We'll discuss further. Plan it based on your needs, which will be most efficient. I'll help you in a way to reduce your wastage of time. If you watch 1 hour of my videos related to topics I mentioned, you will get 10 hours of knowledge because I've been searching and learning so many things. You will also learn, and because if the team grows, it will help me also in this particular network marketing industry and this company. It's not like other companies. What I will get if I help you here, if the team members grow, it is helpful for us also. So definitely we encourage and we help the team members to grow irrespective of any place, any state in India. You can do the business. 18 years if you complete, you are eligible to do the business. You will be able to get 9 types of income as per the company's plan. House fund, car fund. You can visit foreign tours. You can visit the world, different countries. This all takes time, but I'll be there to share my knowledge, whatever I know. If you want to build the business, or you can use the products and be healthy and save a lot of trauma, pain, suffering you have to undergo. I see many patients and many doctors. I visit hospitals. I see the patients and their troubles better than most of the people because I visit almost daily hospitals of different specialties. So you can be healthy, protect your health. At the same time, you can improve money and you can generate passive income. So that's it for now. I wish you all health and wealth, and you can health and wealth along with them. You as a person will develop a lot when you do this business. You join me and you see as we learn, keep learning, you will develop your personality, your personal development, personal grooming, because company gives a lot of trainings and products are there, and you will become more self confident. You will be able to speak publicly. Public speaking will not be an issue for you. How to deal with friends, because I have seen recently few people, we don't know what to do, we don't know how to talk to people, soft skills we don't know. Being graduates and being 25 years, 20 years, we should be able to be very confident and should be able to be in a position to employ others and help others. In our system of educational culture, that is lacking. For those, there's no confidence. Some people, I have seen few people who want to die, don't know what to do. I have only one friend, two friend. They're not talking. They are busy in their personal life. What to do, girl or boy? So you have to develop as a person. These are many things we'll learn here. Join me if you are interested. Find my number in the description. you'll become very confident as you, because you see many worst people and very great people in this field. It will be like a, it will help you like a vaccination. So what you learn here, it will help you to build yourself, mold yourself, your personal life, and you will apply these learnings in your personal life and become successful. Though you don't make more money here, health you will get if you are using the products, and you will become beautiful if you are using these Mr. of Milan and Skin Formula 9. At the same time, you will be become successful, happy. So it's not just earning money, you should be able to deal with the different people in the society, in the family, in the relatives, the friends, in the company, the business, right? Then only you will be successful and happy. Only making money and only being healthy, we cannot be happy. Man is a social animal, right? So I wish you all the best. If you are interested, you can join me, subscribe, share in the WhatsApp groups, Facebook groups, for whom it will be helpful. Watch my other videos. Join me as a part of Vestige Business in my team. I invite you. I invite the people who want to use the products and want to be a part of the business and improve yourself. Together we can grow and become successful and happy. So I wish all the best. Wish you well to Vestige.